How do students use Notion for beginners? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of assignments, notes, and projects you have to manage? It's easy to get lost in a sea of papers, sticky notes, and digital files. But what if there was a tool that could help you organize everything in one place, make it easily accessible, and even help you stay on top of deadlines? That's where Notion comes in. Notion is a versatile note-taking and productivity app that has gained immense popularity among students. It's like a digital workspace where you can create and customize pages, databases, and link them together to form a cohesive system. But how exactly can you harness the power of Notion to enhance your studies? Let's dive in and explore some practical tips and tricks. 1. Creating a central dashboard. Start by setting up a central dashboard that serves as your digital command center. This could be a page where you link to all your important notes, assignments, and projects. Use Notion's database feature to create a task list or a calendar to keep track of deadlines and upcoming events. Customize the appearance of your dashboard with different colors, fonts, and icons to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. 2. Organizing notes and assignments. Create separate pages for each course or subject to keep your notes organized. Use Notion's hierarchical structure to create subpages for different topics within a course. Experiment with different page layouts and templates to find what works best for you. Incorporate multimedia elements like images, videos, and audio recordings to enhance your notes and make them more engaging. 3. Effective collaboration. Notion is a great tool for collaborative projects. Share your pages with classmates or group members and work together in real time. Use comments and @mentions to communicate and provide feedback on each other's work. Create shared databases to manage tasks, resources, and deadlines as a team. 4. Time management and productivity. Use Notion's database feature to create a task list with priority levels, due dates, and progress tracking. Set up a daily or weekly planner to schedule your time effectively. Experiment with different productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to improve your focus and efficiency. 5. Personalization and customization. Notion offers a high degree of customization, allowing you to tailor the app to your specific needs and preferences. Explore different themes and templates to find a style that suits your personality. Create custom properties and formulas to automate tasks and calculations. 6. Tips and tricks. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn essential keyboard shortcuts to navigate Notion quickly and efficiently. Templates. Utilize pre-built templates to get started with different types of pages, such as notebooks, project plans, or reading lists. Integrations. Connect Notion with other popular tools like Google Calendar, Evernote, and Trello to streamline your workflow. Notion is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your productivity and organization as a student. By following these tips and experimenting with different features, you can create a personalized system that helps you stay on top of your studies and achieve your academic goals. Remember, the key to success with Notion is to find what works best for you and to be consistent in using it. With a little practice, you'll be well on your way to mastering this versatile productivity tool. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Download Notion today and start exploring its endless possibilities. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your favorite Notion tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.